So what happens if one of those pesky little pathogens makes its way into your bloodstream? Well, you are now infected. So your immune system has to find, destroy, and remove that pathogen so that you don't get sick. How does it do that? Well, your immune system is made up of your white blood cells. And your white blood cells have three main responses in order to find, destroy, and remove that pathogen. Now, all of this is based on and is underpinned by the markers that you would find on the surface of cells. The markers on the surface of these pathogens are called antigens. And every pathogen has specific antigens. Every cell has specific antigens. It's a little bit like the colours of a football team. And what it means is that the immune system would be able to recognise the pathogen as not being part of the organism, as being kind of foreign cells. And what the white blood cells are going to do is they're going to produce antibodies that are complementary in shape to the antigens. You can see the antibodies here, the blue ones, fit around the antigens, don't they? The antibodies are proteins, and what those antibodies will do is they will sometimes destroy the pathogen, sometimes they will mark the pathogen for the white blood cell to destroy them as well. There's a few different types of antibodies. So the antibodies are complementary to the antigens. They are also specific. So the white blood cell will produce specific complementary antibodies to those antigens. The pathogen is also making us sick. For example, bacteria produce toxins that make us ill. And that's our little black triangles here, these toxins. And the white blood cell is going to produce these antitoxins, clues in the name there, that are going to neutralize the toxins. They're going to neutralize the toxins, they're going to remove the toxins from the blood, and that means that we're not going to feel the effects of that pathogen. The pathogen is not actually going to make us sick. And then finally, once that pathogen has been marked by those antibodies, the white blood cell is able to then engulf and destroy that pathogen. The white blood cell will surround the pathogen, it will engulf it, it will incorporate it into its cell, and it will then digest and break down the pathogen using enzymes. This process we call phagocytosis. This is when the pathogen is engulfed and destroyed. All right, let me know in the comments, what's the other type of white blood cell as well?